back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go. Looks like it's going to be a better start. Marty Bates on the inside. Caleb Maggard on the outside. Who's it going to be? We're coming to the green flag out of turn 4. Here we go. So Marty Bates going to take that early lead. Look like, oh, we got a car in the middle of 1 and 2 down on the bottom. We're going to have a caution. We did not have a complete lap. It's going to be a complete restart. We'll line them back up and try it again. All right, looks like our wrecker crew does have Caleb's car pulled off the bottom there. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to continue or not. The number 6 of Dagan Joseph and the number 7 of Caleb Cottle. That rounds out your field. We're going green out of turn 4. Here we go, guys. Green flag. Marty Bates going to lead them on to the green flag. Caleb Maggard making a charge for that number 1 spot, going to the inside, challenging Marty down the back stretch. Marty got the better run out of 2. We got a race on our hands here. Marty Bates going to lead the first lap. Caleb Maggard in that 2 spot. Rick Beals in that 3rd spot. That's your top 3. Marty Bates, 0.3 of a second is the gap between him and Caleb running in that 2 spot. Let's see if Marty can stay with a good, clean, consistent line and maintain that lead. He's pulled it out to 0.5 of a second now. Looks like Caleb Maggard's getting a good run out of turn 2 right there. 0.7 of a second is the gap now between Marty Bates in that 23, Caleb Maggard in a 28 in that 2 spot. We are coming to the line at lap number 4. Marty Bates is pulled out to an 0.8 of a second lead now over Caleb Maggard in that 28 machine. Coming to the line, we will be on lap number 5. All right, it looks like we got a slow car coming out of turn 2 on the back stretch. We're going to watch him. All right, he is coming to a stop. I believe we might have to throw the caution here. We are going to throw the caution. Oh, he's pulled into the infield. We will get him lined back and get him back going. We have 5 down. 10 to go, guys. 5 down, 10 to go. 10 laps to go. And the H6 of William Hurt has pulled off the track. We are down to 4 cars remaining in this 4-cylinder feature. Here we go. Marty Bates in the 23 going to lead them to the green flag at a turn number 4. Caleb Maggard going to jump out there and take that 2nd spot away from Rick. Oh, Marty's slowing up on the exit of turn 2. Might have a problem or something. That's going to let Caleb get up there and challenge him for the lead. Rick right there with him in the 117. Looks like Marty might have figured out what's going on. He's pulling away. The gap is 0.5 of a second. Caleb Maggard in that 28 machine. He's digging. He's holding it to the floor trying to catch Marty, but Marty has figured it out. He is moving, folks. He's got it to 0.6 of a second. Caleb with a big run into turn 1. Marty's just having a better run through the corners. Corner speed is what wins races on an oval racetrack. Corner speed is what wins races. Marty is holding the best corner speed, and he's staying out front. 0.8 of a second is the gap between 1st and 2nd. Now we have Joseph Dagan. Or Dagan Joseph, I'm sorry, Dagan Joseph pulling off the track. All right, Rick Bills looks like he might have had to run. I'm not sure what happened there. Marty might have slowed up. Now we got Rick Bills getting right on the bumper. Caleb Maggard maybe giving him a little push to try to move him up the track to get under him, but it didn't work. Caleb still holding on to that 2 spot. We got 10 down, 5 to go. 10 down, 5 to go in this 4-cylinder feature here, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a great race. Marty Bates still holding on to that lead. 0.5 of a second. Caleb Maggard gets a real good run, closes in on him into turn 1, but Marty holding the better corner speed is able to beat him out of 2 and increase the gap all the way down to 3. Marty is having trouble with that 23. We've got lap 12 of, oh, they are side by side making contact into 1. Here comes Rick Bill to the outside. Caleb Maggard pulls it to the infield. Caleb Maggard pulls it to the infield. Must have had some damage there on that contact. That's going to put Rick up to the 2 spot. We're on lap 13 of 15. We got 2 to go. Can Rick Bills win it on the white flag lap? Because Marty looks like something's going on in the exit of 4 right here every single lap. Here comes Rick Bills. Can he get out front? I believe he's going to. 1 lap to go on the white flag lap. Rick Bills takes over the lead. Here comes Marty Bates. He's been good out of turn 2 the whole race, but I don't think he's going to have time to catch him back. And Rick Bills on the white flag lap in that 117 machine going to take the win.
Checker flag, guys. Exit turn 1. Checker flag, exit turn 1. 117 victory lane. Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate you supporting the racetrack. We'll see you guys next week.
Up next, our final race of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. We sure appreciate all of you hanging out with us here at Mount Motor Speedway on this beautiful Friday night, like I've been saying all day long. It's been a great day of racing. Tyler Arrington comes back, repeats as the All-Star, American All-Stars winner here. The last time they were here at the track last season, he won the race. He wins again tonight.